Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platforms called Pipedrive and Nimble CRM. So we're going to explore its key features, the strength and the weakness of these two CRM platforms to help you make an informed decision on which of these would be the best CRM tools to use for your business sales in 2025. So to get started with the overview, Pipedrive is a pipeline focused on CRM builds for sales teams that need structured deals, tracking, automation, reporting, and also excel at helping users move deals through a sales funnel visually and efficiently. Now talking about Nimble CRM on the other side, it is social connect lightweight CRM designed for small businesses and individual. It emphasizes relationship building by integrating a contact data from email, social media, and other channels into a smart interface. Now talking about the strength and the weakness together with the pricing plan for Pipedrive. So picking the strength, Pipedrive has a lot of significant strength and a weakness. So I'm going to pick out the strength, which is it has a drag and drop sales pipeline. It also help workflow automation and activities reminder. It also comes with an in-depth reporting and a sales focus. Now talking about the weakness on the other side, it has a limited social media integration, no built-in email marketing, which is required on add-on. It also less focused on contact enrichment and a relationship insight. Talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a start price of 19.90 user per month. And talking about the Nimble CRM on the other side, it is solopreneur and a small team who patronize a relationship building and a social selling. Now talking about the strength of Nimble CRM, it comes with automatically pull contact into form emails and social profile. It also unify inbox and relationship tracking together with a simple clean interface with a good Gmail and Outlook integration. Now talking about the weakness on the other side, this sales pipeline and automation features are basic. It also has limited customization and reporting tools together with a less suited for high volume deals tracking, and the pricing plan is between 29.90 to 30.90 user per month for a single type price. Now here's the overall conclusion. If you choose Pipedrive, if you want a robust sales-focused CRM that help you manage your sales and automate sales activity, use Nimble if your network relies on building and maintaining relationship across social media or social channel and you prefer simplicity over complex pipeline. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform.